Hey, this is Teresa. Welcome to ministrymarketingstrategies.com on the World Wide Web. As you'll see in the words below and in the content on the tabs, I have a real heart to see people be freed up financially so that they can pursue their God-given destiny in ministry. You may be a Christian musician, or maybe you have a Christian band. You might be a pastor or an evangelist. Are you looking for the finances to be able to pursue that without all the stress of how am I going to pay the bills? I'd like to share with you valuable information, marketing strategies to be able to generate some streams of income, to be able to get the word out about your ministry, and to be able to see you have some success. See you go on that road that you know God's called you, your destiny. So take your time, check the links out. Lots of information, and be checking out frequently, because we're going to have some special guests, Christian artists, pastors, and evangelists. They're going to share some of their marketing keys that have helped them get the word out about their ministry and help them to be able to generate those resources. Check out ustream.tv/video ministry for an extension of this website, as we'll continue to encourage and build you up in your faith in Jesus Christ. The bottom line, the foundation of good sales, good marketing, and good promotion is found with the greatest author, the book, the Bible, the greatest salesman of all. Biblical principles to see you on your way toward your God-given destiny. Take your time, enjoy, and thank you so much for visiting ministrymarketingstrategies.com.